listed in the top 62 from the 500 most influential Muslims of the world. The only Muslim preacher, orator amongst the 100 most powerful Indians. Internationally most sought-after orator on Islam and comparative religion, Dr. Zakir Naik.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
And now he's coming to Malaysia.
I'll be coming to Malaysia after 11 years.
The Malaysia Tour 2012. A 4-day public talk and an open question-answer session by Dr. Zakir Naik. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in world's religious scriptures. Inshallah, Friday 28 September 2012, 8 p.m. at Dataran Bandaraya, Johor Bahru.
Without Iman, you can't enter Jannah.
Universal Brotherhood. Inshallah, Saturday 29 September 2012, 6:30 p.m. at UITM Shah Alam.
Every human being has the knowledge of God in him.
The Quran and Modern Science. Inshallah, Friday 5th October 2012, 6:30 p.m. at Devan Jubilee Pera Kuantan Pahang.
There's no other scripture on the face of the earth which says marry only one besides the Quran.
Islam's view on terrorism and jihad. Inshallah, Sunday 7th October 2012, 6:30 p.m. at Devan Tun Razak Satu, PWTC, Kuala Lumpur.
Islam is for those who are spiritually high.
Wish him Salamat Datang as he captivates and educates people from all walks of life with his enlightening public talk and an engaging open questions and answers session.
This is the best global salutation of peace. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be on you.
Feel proud to be an integral part of this enthusiastic human congregation to improve and increase your awareness about Islam. So, lock your calendars and be a part of his Malaysia tour. Inshallah, 28th and 29th September 2012. And on 5th and 7th October, you can watch him deliver the message of peace. Free entrance to all. All faiths are welcome. Special seating for ladies. For registration, log on to Dr. Zakir Naik Malaysia Tour 2012.eventbrite.com or you can log on to facebook.com/Dr. Zakir Naik Malaysia Tour 2012. Be there to spread the message of peace.
Inshallah, hoping to see you there.
The Malaysia Tour 2012.